Well, all these showers and storms that we saw this past weekend will linger into the first half of the work week. So you might want to grab that rain jacket or that umbrella as you were heading out the door for work or school or whatever you might be leaving your house for tomorrow morning. On the bright side, as we head into Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of this work week, a cold front will be arriving in our area, and this will bring much more drier and sunny weather. And along with all of the rain chances that will be lowered, it'll also lower our humidity as well. And for those of you who did not know, yesterday was the meteorological peak of the hurricane season, and funny enough, the tropics become very, very quiet once again. For those of you who can remember, last week we were watching Hurricane Earl as it passed just to the east and northeast of Bermuda, and less than a week later, the tropics are very, very quiet once again, which is a very good thing considering how active they have been this time of year in past years. Take a look now at the forecast for your Monday. Once again, because we are at ahead of this cold front, we do have that chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms, particularly throughout your afternoon hours. But I think those showers and storms will start to wind down as you head into the overnight hours of Monday and into the very early morning hours of Tuesday as well. Temperature-wise, mid-70s for your morning rush before climbing into the low to mid-80s as you are heading home from work. Our best chance of rain will come towards 3, 4, and 5 o'clock in the afternoon when you are heading home from work or school. Overnight lows will drop down into the upper 70s and lower 80s. As you head further inland, low to mid-70s for your morning rush before climbing into the low to mid 80s as you were heading home from work. Our best chance for rain and storms will be definitely as you were heading home from work throughout the afternoon hours. Overnight lows will drop down into the low to mid 70s. Here's what to expect for your Tuesday. A very similar setup for tomorrow, but our rain chances will be slightly lower than on Monday. Morning temperatures in the morning, I should say, will be starting off in the low to mid 70s before climbing into the low to mid 80s as you were heading home from work. Overnight lows will drop down into the upper 70s and lower 80s with only a very small chance of an isolated shower or storm. Once again, those rain chances will really lower as we head through from Wednesday through Saturday because of that cold front. Our best chance of rain will definitely be tomorrow and Tuesday, but once we head to Wednesday through Saturday, our rain chances are very, very low because of that cold front coming through. And as I mentioned earlier, yesterday was the meteorological peak of the hurricane season, and here we go, a day after that, and the tropics are very, very quiet. Our one and only disturbance is this tropic wave, actually this area that is in between two different tropic waves that has a very small chance of becoming a named storm. But this is a very good thing to see. We don't want anything forming at this time of year. And the main reason for that, we have a lot of dry air that is right over the Lesser Antilles. And as these tropical systems head into that drier air mass, it really weakens tropical systems. In order for hurricanes and tropical storms to remain very, very strong, they have to have a lot of very warm waters and also a lot of very warm and unstable air in the atmosphere. And this massive dry air mass is the complete opposite of that. And that is the main reason why the tropics are so quiet as we head over the next few weeks. Not that I'm complaining. I definitely love when there is not anything to forecast in the tropics, but obviously I'll keep you posted if I see anything else developing. Here's your 10-day forecast along the Grand Strand. As soon as we get through Monday and Tuesday, hardly any rain is in the forecast. Only a very small chance of an isolated shower Wednesday through Saturday. Look for afternoon highs to top out in the low to mid 80s before dropping down into the upper 60s and lower 70s overnight. Here's your forecast inland. Our best chances of rain will be tomorrow and Tuesday. Only a very small chance of rain Wednesday through Saturday, and then hardly any rain throughout this upcoming weekend and even into next week as well. Look for afternoon highs to top out in the low to mid 80s before dropping down to the upper 60s and lower 70s overnight. Keep it here at Leam's Weather for all the latest information, and have a great work week.